Very good morning, children. Today in Maths, let's continue with our topic equal sharing. So in the last class, we learned short division method and long division method and hope that you all have completed the exercises that was mentioned in our previous class. So today, let's move on to the next topic, that is division of a two-digit number by a one-digit number, but here there's a difference with remainder. So let's check the number. Here we have 17 by 3. So how can we divide this? For writing this, let's write 17 inside the line and 3, which is the divisor, outside. Now we have to divide. So which table should we revise? We have to revise the table of 3 and check how many times we get the number 17. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. So did you get the number 17? No. So what you have to do? Let's write 3 fives are 15 and 3 sixes are 18. So we don't have the number 17 in the table of 3. So when such a situation comes, we have to take either the same number, because the same number is not there. We have to take a lesser number than the dividend. So 15 is less or 18 is less. Here 15 is less than 17. So we have to take that. For taking that, 3 fives are 15. So which number should we take? We have to write 5 on top of this line. So 3 fives are 15. So 3 fives are 15. That you should write under 17. And now what is the next step? After drawing a line, we have to subtract. And for subtracting, which symbol should we insert? We have to insert the minus symbol. So now we have to subtract. When we subtract, we usually start from the ones place. So here, which is in the ones place? We have 7 minus 5 in the ones place. So let's subtract 7 minus 5. So what is the answer? It is 2. So write it under the ones. Now we have in the tens place 1 minus 1. So what is 1 minus 1? It is 0. So we finish the division because there is no other number to divide. Now what is the quotient? The quotient is 5 and the remainder is 2. So we say the leftover number as remainder. So this is how we should do this division. Let's take another example. Here we have 15 divided by 2. For that, first what we have to do? We have to draw a line and write the dividend inside the line and the divisor outside the line. So here the dividend is 15 and the divisor is 2. Next, we have to check the table of 2. How many times in the table of 2 we get the number 15. So just revise the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. So did you get the number 15? No. Now what you have to do? Either we have to take the equal number or the number lesser than the dividend. So you can see 14 and 16. That comes between 15. So 16 is greater or lesser than 15? 16 is greater than 15. So which number you have to take? You have to take the number 14, the lesser number than the dividend. So you have 2 sevens are 14. So which number we should write on top? We have to write the number 7. So 2 sevens are 14. Then we have to write 14 under the dividend. And then the next step is to subtract. So 5 minus 4. Subtract the ones position first. So 5 minus 4 is 1 and the tens place 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have here 7 quotient and the remainder 1. So when we divide 15 divided by 2, quotient is 7 and the remainder is 1. So we have to write it like that. Quotient is equal to 7 and remainder is equal to 1. Now let's do another one. We have 11 divided by 2. So draw a line and write 11 and divisor outside. Now check the table of 2. We have 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So which number we have to take? We have to take the number which is less than 11. So we can write 2 5s are 10. So that 5 we have to write on top and 2 5s are 10. Below 11 you have to write the number 10. And then the next step is to subtract. Now subtract from the ones place first. So 1 minus 0 is 1. And the tens place we have 1 minus 1. So it is 0. So our division is finished because there is no other number to divide. Now what is the answer? 11 divided by 2. Quotient is 5 and the remainder is 1. So you can write quotient, that is Q is equal to 5 and remainder R is equal to 1. Let's take another one. Here we have 18 divided by 4. So which is the dividend? The dividend is 18 and the divisor is 4. So 18 inside this line and 4 the divisor outside this line. And now we have to revise the table of 4 because we have divisor 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So where did we reach? Did we get the number 18? No. So we have to take the number just before 18. So we have 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. So we have to take the number 16. So which number we should write on top? We have to write 4 4s are 16. That 4 you have to write on top. And 4 4s are 16. You should write below 18. And then subtract. First, from the ones place, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 18 divided by 4, the quotient is 4, remainder is 2. So you should write 18 divided by 4 quotient, that is Q is equal to 4, remainder R is equal to 2. Let's do one more example. Here we have 46 divided by 5. So let's write 46 inside because this is the dividend and 5 which is the divisor outside. And now we need to check the table of 5 because 5 is the divisor here. So how many times do we get the number 46? Are you able to get the number 46 in the table 5? 4 8s are 40, 4 9s are 45, 4 10s are 50. So which number should we take? We have to take the number 4 9s are 45, that is just before 46. So 5 9s are 45 and then subtract 6 minus 5, that is from the ones place. 6 minus 5 1, 4 minus 4 0. So we can write that 46 divided by 5 quotient is 9 and the remainder is 1. So here in your textbook there is a practice coach, page number 71. So let's do some of these exercises. Question number B, 35 divided by 4. So 35 by 4. So check the table of 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8 till you reach the number 35. So are you able to get the number 35 in the 4's table? So keep on revising the table of 4. So you get 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. Which number you have to take? 4 8s are 32. 8 you write on the top and 32 below 35 and then subtract. Now 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So we finished the division because there is no other number to bring down. So what is the answer? 35 divided by 4. Write it as the quotient is 8 and the remainder is 3. Next we have question number G, 65 divided by 8. So let's write 65 is the dividend inside the line and 8 is the divisor outside the line. So now let's check the table of 8. Always you have to be thorough with the multiplication table when doing the division. So 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. So did you get the number 65? No. So let's take the number just before 65. That is 8 8s are 64. So write that 8 on top of this line and 64 under 65. The next step is to subtract. Now 5 minus 4, that is the ones place. How much it is? 5 minus 4, it is 1. So write that under the ones place itself, and 6 minus 6 in the tens place. So write 0 there under the tens place. Now the division is finished. So 65 divided by 8, we can write the quotient is 8, which is on top, and the remainder is 1, that is below. So the rest of the exercises you can do it as homework. Hope you all understood how to do division with remainder. So we'll be meeting in the next class.